Hello, good morning. My name is Isabel Solano, and this is the final task for the Specialized Language Teaching course 2019-2020. Let me present the list of words I'm going to use for both activities I've been designing. Okay, within activity one that is called Let's Create a Glossary, as it says, we're gonna make a glossary using online applications. We will start with a warming up activity that is called the dictionary games. Students will play that game in groups of 5 people. Then we will carry on with the main thing. And in the first step, I've been proposing to do an individual work. And with this work, the students will learn the basic guidelines to follow when writing a definition. After that, we will split the class in 5 groups of 6 students, and we will give them the list of 18 words. So each student should define 2 words. That makes a total of 12 words, and the remaining 6 will be defining as a group. When everything is ready, they will do their entry. As I was saying, they will do their entries in the Moodle platform, on Aules platform. To do that, we will add an activity that is called glossary, and so we will prepare for them this activity, the glossary, and in Aules or Moodle platform. After that, we will have to be careful to select this option that will allow students to see other peers' work. And also, this is the screen they will see, and as you can see, they will be able to add some graphical information, and we will encourage them to do so. So this in this slide, this is called also some other choices we will have to select. And after that, after they do all their entries, and then we will have 5 versions of the glossary. So they will have to vote which are the best definitions. So with all of these, we will create as a class just one version of the glossary. And second activity I have designed, the second activity, as I was saying, is called a word in context. In this case, the word will be just individual. So we will also start with a introductory activity as a class discussion or class brainstorming, and in the student will be given a word and their translation into Spanish. With these 2 words, one in Spanish and the other one in English, they will find 3 texts per word and per language. And with that information, well, this is the list of words, and then, well, with the information they have from the text they've been searching, they will have to fill in this box one per text, saying if which is the source of the text. Is it from internet, a book, a newspaper, or other? They will have to specify in that case. And what type of language this is, if it's a mainstream language of lecturing or some other kind of languages, and the affordability, if they can understand that text without minor or known difficulties at all. So they will classify if the text has an affordability of high, medium, low, or very low, and they will set an example in a sentence to show all the findings from the text. So when everybody has the word as is described before, we will go to the computer room, and in this computer room they will fill in this table and to collect all the data. So with this, with this data collected, they will build with the data collected, they will build 3-bar charts, and this is an example to illustrate how it looks like the final work. And with all of this, they will, with these bar charts, then after that they will have to write their conclusions. So well, I would like to discuss how it's going to be organized, those activities. As you can see, we will start always with a starter, then it will be the main or principal part of the activity that I have called the core thing, and then we always will finish with a plenary or finishing, writing a conclusion and having a discussion as a class. Also, another aspect of my work I would like to discuss with you is how I think, or why I think this work is innovative. I think I've been using cooperative methodologies, learn to learn, and also it has been based on new technologies. I have some bits also of of play-based, and I will encourage the self-correction and teachers and peer assessment, also self-assessment. Well, okay, we can see the other table for the group grid, and also we have here how it's going to be the assessment process for the second activity. We are going to include self-assessment, peer assessment, and teacher assessment, and this is the grid we're going to use, also with the 5 levels and the concepts we are going to look at. And finally, I would like to tell you, and the second one will be to define the context of the terminology. And I think this is all for today. I hope you have enjoyed my presentation. Thank you very much.